Switch up your usual pasta bake with this easy meatball pasta bake. Filled with pumpkin pieces and meatballs, paired with spinach and ricotta tortellini, this pasta makes a delicious weeknight dinner. Get started by cooking the tortellini in a large pot of boiling water until al dente. Drain well. While the pasta is cooking, start cooking the meatballs by heating the oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Cook the meatballs, stirring occasionally until browned all over, then transfer to a plate. Next, you need to add the onion, pumpkin, and zucchini to the pan and cook, stirring until the vegetables are just tender. Add the meatballs back to the pan with the spinach and passata and bring to the boil. Get ready to bake. Combine the pasta and meatball mixture in the oven-proof dish. Tear the fresh mozzarella and arrange over the pasta mixture. Pop in a 200°C oven and bake about 20 minutes, or until the cheese has melted and is golden with mozzarella. To finish off, sprinkle with some oregano leaves. Dig into this hearty meatball pasta bake, packed with veggies kids and adults alike will enjoy.